guys, today I'm going to show you how to get that braid that I had the other day, and I'm also going to show you how I use some of these extensions with Aniston right here. So let me put this up a little bit so it makes it better. One day, hey, sit down. Sorry. What? Okay, my hair's really clean. I washed it last night. Normally I do braids like this on like really dirty hair, so we'll see. I think it'll be fine. But I just let it air dry, so this is kind of my natural texture here. Yeah, you can put that lipstick on. So I'm gonna bring this part pretty far over right here, and then we're gonna tease the back. Just this back part right here. I'm trying to even remember kind of how this hairstyle was, because most of the time I kind of just make them up as I go. Find something I like and then it just turns into. So this is a little different and that'll be okay too. So I'm just teasing everywhere to add a little texture, and I'm going to go in and spray some hairspray because it is really, really, really soft. Okay, and then you're also going to need 2 clear ponytails like this, and then probably some bobby pins. Okay, let me take these out and we'll just see. What are you eating? Did you get did you get another bite? Okay, for this, I didn't put all of them in my hair, but I did put quite a few. So this is like this is probably a 3-inch weft, but there's 2 clips. So whenever I say the number, I'm going to be referring to the clips. So I'm going to come up under here. This will be one for like the braid, so it'll go pretty far up in the front. I've never been on Facebook Live. I mean, I think I have on my phone before, but I can't really see if y'all are saying anything. Put like some hearts or something on here so I know that you're here. Okay, so that one's gonna go at the very top, and then this side's pretty small, so I'm gonna take these little sections and just put, hey Rebecca, okay, I can see your comments now. I'm gonna put this right here. And then this one will probably go right here in the back. Sit down, please. And then in the very back, I have a 3 clip, a 4 clip. I put all of these in my hair. I don't want to stick all these in my hair today. Sometimes they're kind of heavy. Okay, so I'm going to do the 3, the 4, and then the 3, and hope that that's a thick enough braid. So I'm going to take like right below my ears right here and part this up. If you have really, really slippery hair, you might want to tease before you stick these in. Oh gosh. Okay, so here's the 3. It doesn't have to be like directly on the hair that's laying down, just clip it in somehow, some way. And then from my temple, I'm gonna go around here, and this is where I'm gonna put the 2 4-clip wefts in. Aniston, can you sit down, please? Okay. Okay. Thank you. So it'll be like this. I think they might be having trouble seeing, so I'm going to turn around some more. And then I'm going to overlap with right here. Okay, so that's all of the extensions that I'm going to put in. And I mean, it's still like, you can definitely see where my hair is. So if you wanted to wear these for length, you might want to put the other pieces in. There's still like 3 other big pieces that I don't have in, which is insane. But okay, so first I'm going to make this giant braid that I had, and I'll show you how to do that fish braid here. Okay, come in here and take, watch your head, just a tiny piece at first, and you're going to split it into 2. You got it, thank you. And then you're going to take 1 small piece from this side and you're going to go underneath to the next side. A small piece from this side, go underneath and connect it onto that side. So you're just going to do this like 4 times right here. So this is 1. So I'm going to have 4 little crossings. So for the next time that I come over, this piece kind of slipped out, so I'm just going to grab it. You always want to make sure that you grab a piece from what you're working with and a new piece and go under and add it. And then grab some more hair and then grab from what you're working with, just a tiny piece, go under and connect it to the other side. So essentially you just have like 2 pieces here. So I'm going to grab a new piece and then a tiny bit from the top and then go under. Sit down, please. Okay, no, I can't hold you right now. Hold on. Sit down. Erin, you're so weird. You want to braid? Maybe you can braid Erin's hair after you watch this for her. She's pretty good at braiding, so. Okay, grab a piece from this and then put it under. And I'm always grabbing a new piece and then a piece from what I'm working with. And you want to make sure also, this is the hard part where your arms might feel like they might fall off, because mine always do. You have to try and hold it back the way that you're going, because if you do like this, your braid is going to go straight down your face. So you have to keep it up like this. I'm going to grab another piece and then grab from also what I'm working with and go under. Aniston. Well, she has an exercise band wrapped around 2 of her legs. Okay, and then to hide this extension right here, I'm going to go from the back. Time out, we got to get this band off because she can't do it. There you go. Okay, grab from the back to cover up this extension. So right here, and then I'm going to grab some of what I'm working with and then add it underneath. Can you sit down, please?
Okay.
Please sit down.
Okay.
Please sit down. What? Yeah, you are sitting. I'm not going to grab any more from the front now because I'm pretty far back. I'm just going to continue to do a backwards fishtail, but I'm going to keep grabbing from right here because we got to cover up that weft. And we want something for this to hang off of, if that makes sense. And I've picked up pieces of the extension so you can tell it's getting longer and thicker. This is probably the most time-consuming braid as a fishtail, for me at least, so far. And always take the piece that's like pretty far over right here, and then you'll add that under. See, so like up here. then you want to keep holding it back because look what happens if I go too far forward. Like, see how that's like that? But I'm going to loosen it out later, so it's okay. Okay, so just going to finish this braid off at the bottom. Just putting tiny pieces onto the other side. You got it. You ready to see Mimi?
Mimi?
Yeah. We're gonna go have brunch today with Mimi. What are y'all's favorite brunch spots in Fort Worth? Good morning, Tammy. Oh, see how long this takes? Forever. The other part does not take very long. It's just mainly this big long braid. Okay. I'm gonna kind of just wrap it up right here with a ponytail. That way we can move on. Doesn't have to be pretty or perfect. And then I'm gonna come through here and pull this out. And this is how you make the messy, loose look. Smashed in Max's Wine Dive. We ate at Max's Wine Dive after our wedding. That's where me and Jake went. I got a really weird thing because sometimes when I go to new places, I always order really weird stuff. It was like Frito pie over an omelet. Not really sure I was crazy about it, but Jake's food was really good, and I want to go there again. But I've never tried mashed. I've heard it's really good too. You can keep pulling this out and make it look messier, or you can kind of like stop like that. I feel like this is getting pretty messy, so I'm just gonna call it a day for this braid. Okay, and now on the back, what I did was I just grabbed, this extension's gonna be needing to move. Oh my God, she's putting my glasses on now. Okay, no, you're gonna hurt your eyes. So I'm going to take this section right here and just loosely, can y'all see my head when I turn around? Please don't fall. I'm going to put a ponytail in this one. Loosen it and do that little twisty thing. You want to go like inside. That was the wrong way. Okay, so there's that one. And then grab this hair right here and do another one. And this just kind of helps all of your hair stay back and adds a little bit of a texture. I think that ponytail's about to break, so let's grab a new one.
Mama. Here's a mama.
Thank you, baby.
Here's a mama. Here's a mama. Here.
Thank you. Okay, another ponytail. I'm going to split this and then tuck it in again. Okay, and then I'm going to hide these extensions by pulling this hair loose, but then you have just two loose kind of ponytails. And then from here, what are you doing? Whoa. From here, I'm trying to remember what exactly I did, but I think I just took this piece loosen this, we're just going to take this into a braid. This piece went over. And I bobby pinned it like this. Then when you pull this way, it'll just kind of lay like that. Is that yummy? Okay, so that's how you get the back, and then this is all over here. And we're just gonna do a 3-strand braid, which is a basic normal braid over on the side.
Mama.
Yes. Ew. Swallow that. That's yucky.
Oh, Dad.
I don't want to bite. We're going to go eat with Mimi. Yeah, I think we're actually probably late. Okay, ponytail here and then loosen everything. And because my hair is not this long, this will come out. So I did put 2 ponytails around here, which actually ended up looking pretty cute. Because you can make it loose to where you really can't see the ponytails. And just like 2 little things like this. Oh my gosh, sit down. And then maybe one right here. It kind of gives it a little more texture, and you can wrap extra hair around these ponytails if you want, or just leave it. Because we are running short on time today, I'm just gonna leave it. And then you can kind of leave those poking out everywhere. Pull some down over here and curl it, but that's how I kind of come up with these ideas. And I'm gonna grab the camera and turn around real quick. What? Okay, so this is the back of it. And the side. Right, well I hope that y'all liked this. I'm gonna have to pin this down right here, but this is just kind of how I got the look from the other day that y'all had asked me to show you a tutorial. I will save this and upload it to my blog and YouTube. And if y'all have any other requests, please send me a personal message or comment in this video. Maybe if you just want to do like a short video on how to get braids like just that one. I don't know. I hope you'll have a good weekend. We're going to go get some brunch. Bye. Can you say bye? Say bye.